Ka Rotary Club Jowai ka weni ki kanhun tremon sengubha, kabla synñiang shibuni ki kamba baha po ka imlang kasalang, haka kar tarik ujaleu, kum kadak banlek buro me ka World Environment Day, kala synñiang da ki tynrai dieng haka skul Jawahar na Budaya Widyalaya, ni ka JNV, Kabadan Mukhla West JNV Hills District. Haka ni ka sengi ya shoban penlong ka jingthung, ya shispa at potoli ki tynrai dieng, bla penyo da ka Rotary Club Jowai, ladan ka jingalang ha pelau jong tika skul. Ya ka bala penyai ya ka program, dauditoy presiden ka RC Jowai, bala yuru ka jingrwai nagi kana skul. Uba Silvester dekar panbu MCS Extra Assistant Commissioner jong ka West Hills District kumukongsan. Ha ka jingkren ulai ka jingyaro ya ka Rotary Club Jowai, kabala shime ka nega jingkit kli. Ban penbahai ka jing internet jong ka may mariang, ula buru ka jingkentu, baga jingra ke ka World Environment Day, kam tang shisngi, hari de merkan mau malakapur.
Club is involved in helping our society in so many ways. They are to become a member of Rotary Club, you have to be a very generous-hearted person who has also achieved in your field. So I'm very honored that you gave me this chance to speak. And regarding World Environment Day, it is not something that you should celebrate only once a year. Yes, we acknowledge, actually to use the word celebrate also is wrong. We observe World Environment Day, but right now we look at our planet, there's nothing much to celebrate about. I would also like to remind you all students, I think your age group will be between 10 to 16. So in 20 years from now, you will be the custodians of this planet. You will be the adults. Maybe many of you will have children of your own by then, 20 years from now. And there will be no one to guide you. You will have to guide the workings of the society, and you'll be in charge. Basically, you are in control. So when you plant trees today, you are safeguarding the future, which you will be dealing with. So planting trees is not just kind of a ceremony. Remember, the tree is still very short. But by the time the tree grows, you will also be in charge. And you don't want to live in a horrible world when you are an adult. Right now, you know, your parents are there, your teachers are there to guide you, to take care of you. But 20 years from now, 25 years from now, you will be the one, in charge of this world, of this society. And you want your future, 10, 20 years from now, to actually have some good, environment to live in. One of the things we're talking about, desertification, is basically the loss of forest. We might think deserts exist only in the Sahara or the Thar Desert, which you read in geography classes. You should know that deserts also are very recent phenomena. The Sahara used to be a rainforest many tens of thousands of years ago. Just Google and check the exact number of years. And even a place like Meghalaya, which is supposed to be very green, JNV Hills very green, if it doesn't rain for 2 months, or if you take away the trees from a small area, after some time the villages in that area, they don't get water, the soil fertility goes down, landslides increase. So remember that we might feel that we are surrounded by trees, that we live in Meghalaya, we're very fortunate. But actually, if you look at the statistics, especially the older students will know here, Meghalaya on paper is covered by 76% forest. But out of that 76% forest, a lot of it is degraded. All the trees have been cut down, you just have shrubs. So remember that it affects our population. People like who depend on the forest for small things, for domestic things, are now losing their livelihood, losing their opportunities to maintain their communities, especially in rural areas, because of loss of forest cover. So I know it might seem like one small sapling, what difference will it make? But already there are 500 plus of you. So today itself, you can plant a small little forest which you will gain benefits from in years to come. So I can go on and on about this topic. It's very close to my heart, but at the same time, I don't think we are here to just, make speeches. Hopefully we will move on to the action of planting trees.
Rotarian Club as well as the DC office Jowai has given us the responsibility to make the campus green. Sir, I would like to inform you, and I am happy to inform you, that because of the teamwork of my beloved staff and beloved students, our school got 5-star rating in Green School program this year. And I assure you that sir, that our students will do better in future also, and your hope to make the campus green and clean, we will assure that our campus is neat and clean, our campus is green, and it is a happy place for stay. I will ensure it with the help of my respected staff members and the beautiful and loving children. So, once again, I am very much thankful to each and everyone, and I am especially thankful to my dear students. Those all of you are standing here in sunlight. So, thanks to all of you, and understand the responsibility. Sir has donated plants. After donating, it is our responsibility to grow or to nurture them so as to make a big tree. After plantation, we will not leave them just as it is. We will take care, and as a team, we will do it, and we will make our campus green, and also we will contribute somewhat in making this beautiful planet, that is our own planet Earth, a better place for living and better place for learning also. And thank you everyone. Kum Lai Shiva.